How to fix Facebook keeps logging me out. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now what you want to do is head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are in this page, head over to see more in Account Center. Inside Account Settings, move into Password and Security. And head over to where you are logged in inside Security Checks. Move into your Facebook account. See whether any unknown device is logged in. If anyone is logged in, then simply click on it and then tap on Log Out. Once you have logged out the account from unknown devices, now what you want to do is go back and head over to Change Password. Select your Facebook account. Now for the security, you will need to change the password of your account. Enter the current password, new password, and also retype the new password. Once done, tap on Change Password at the bottom. Once the password has been changed, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.